E-cigarette companies claim that their products help smokers quit traditional cigarettes. However, are they really all that they claim to be?
E-cigarettes were originally intended to be a low-risk alternative to smoking. However, the introduction of sleek new devices and delectable flavors has led to an explosion in vaping among American teenagers.
Preliminary research and studies that have been conducted in the past few years show us that we can have negative cardiovascular effects, negative effects on lung tissues. They can also affect gums and oral health and can lead to oxidative stress and damage to DNA.
Vaping is now a massive problem in the United States. 380 people have already fallen ill and 7 people have died. The CDC estimates that more than 1 out of 4 high school students have used e-cigarettes in the past month.
Unfortunately, 37% of students who do smoke e-cigarettes were not aware that nicotine are in all variety and brands of e-cigarettes.
Not only are e-cigarettes a problem to our own high school, they also pose an imminent threat to the youth of our nation. The CDC has gone as far as labeling it an epidemic. President Donald Trump has responded to the problem by proposing a nationwide ban on flavored e-cigarettes. San Francisco, California, Boulder, Colorado, and the entire states of Michigan and New York have already implemented the ban.
With so many states and cities banning flavored e-cigarettes, it remains to be seen if other states will follow in their footsteps. This has been Aaron. Back to you guys in the studio.